How to stop sharing Safari between iPhone and Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. There might be times when you do not want the data on your iPhone Safari to be shared on your Mac Safari. In order to quickly and easily stop sharing Safari history and bookmarks between devices, follow these steps. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on your name banner. You will see the option for iCloud. Tap on that. Under Apps using iCloud, tap on Show All to view all the apps. Here, toggle off the button for Safari. You will receive the pop-up asking what would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud Safari data on your iPhone. Tap on Keep on My iPhone, and now it won't sync your Safari data between your iPhone and Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.